Welcome, today I am in Fiat 500 and I'll show you how you can turn on or turn off night navigation mode. So we have to open the navigation at the first, so you have to click on the Uconnect and then tap navigation at the right upper corner. Next you have to click on this 4 dots and you have to go right here for the settings icon. Next go for the appearance and the switcher from the night colors you can make right here. So if you want to turn it off and you don't want to switch for the night colors, just turn it off, and if you want to make it, if you want to activate this option, just click here. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.